Okay, so for this one, we have to solve for VO of t using Laplace transformation. So let's first put everything in Laplace format. So the Laplace of the voltage is just 4 ohms, so we don't have to change that. For capacitor, it's 1 over SC, so C is 1 over 4, so it's just 4 over S. For this current source, it's 5 times the unit step function, so we just follow this one. And we see C is 0, so it's going to be 1 over S. So it's just going to be 5 times 1 over S. For capacitor, for inductor, it's SL, so it's just S. Okay, so now that we have all the information we need, I'm going to redraw the circuit down here. It's 4 over S, 5 over S. Hold on, let me change the size. Give me a sec. Okay, 4 over S, 5 over S. Then this is just S, and this is 4. And we're trying to find VO of t. Okay, so we'll do a quick mesh. So we'll call this I1S, and we'll call this I2S. So let's write. So we will probably have to do a super mesh because we only have this one capacitor here. So let's try and get rid of this. So we'll do 5 over S is equal to I2 minus I1. I'm not going to write the S because it's just going to take too much time. So now we can just ignore this for now. So it's 4 over S times I1 plus SI2 plus 4I2. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Now what I'm going to do is isolate for I1. So I1 will be equal to IS minus 5 over 2. So 5 over S, I mean. And I'm pretty much going to put that into here. So 4 over S times I2 minus 5 over S plus SI2 plus 4IS. Okay, so I'm going to FOIL everything in. So that'll be 20 minus 20 over S squared plus SI2 plus 4IS. Alright, now I'm going to combine all of these. Alright, so there we go. And let's isolate for our I of S. So I have 2, I mean. So it'll be 20 over S squared, 4 over S plus 4. So what we're going to do is times S squared into here. So it's going to be 20 all over 4S plus S cubed plus 4 squared. Okay. Actually, let's only put in one S in there. Okay. So we'll just put S 4 plus S squared plus 4S. Okay, that's more better. And we see here that VO of t will be equal to 4 times I2. Okay. So VO of S, I mean, not VO of t. So it'll be 4 I2. So it'll be 20 times 4, that's 100. Sorry, not 80, I mean. S times S squared plus 4S plus 4. This is factorable. So it'll be S plus 2, S plus 2. So VO of S is equal to 80 S plus 2 squared. Now let's take the inverse Laplace. Okay, so VO of t will be equal to 80, the inverse Laplace of 1 over S plus 2 squared. Now we have to just find the inverse Laplace of this. So this is what we'll do. We'll do partial fractions. This will be A over S plus B over S plus 2 plus C over S plus 2 squared times everything by S times S plus 2 squared. So you'll have 1 equals A S plus 2 squared plus B S plus 2 plus C times S. Okay? Now, if we let S to be minus 2, you should get C to be minus 40. If we let S to be 0, you should get A to be 20. And if you let S to be 1, you should get B to be minus 20. You can choose different S values as well, you should get the same answer. So this is what we'll do. So pretty much 1 over S times S plus 2 squared is equal to 20 over S plus minus 20 over S plus 2 minus 40 over S plus 2 squared. Okay, so these two, you can rewrite them as, instead of S plus 2, it'll be S minus minus 2. Okay, and so now we can do the inverse Laplace of all of these. So okay, so let's get our sheet from here and let's look for matches. So 1 over S, whoops, hold on, 1 over S, its inverse Laplace is just 1. So this will just be 20 minus, okay, so 1 over S minus minus 2. So we got a match here. So we see our A is minus 2. So it'll be minus 20 e to the power of minus 2t. Okay, and then last one is minus 40. Then we have to find matching with something that matches with this one. What matches with this one? Okay, I think I'll probably have to look through here. Give me a sec. Found one. We have a match right over here. So so pretty much this is to the power of 2, right? So which is the same thing as 1 plus 1, and that's your n. Okay, so n will be 1, and n factorial will also be 1, because this part is supposed to be n factorial. So that's good. So that means it's going to be n factorial 1 all over, sorry, n factorial, hold on, sorry, so it's supposed to be t n times e a of t. Your a is this, minus 2, and your n is supposed to be 1. Okay, so there we go. This will be your VO of t. And you can factor out the 20. And this formula is only for when t is greater than or equal to 0.